into. Even though they know I really ain't into.
You're not into it?
I'm not into. I already know the women I've been through. See, I buy my own bags, my boots, my jeans.
That is called down payment. Down payment is 5%, but that doesn't. I highlight the minimum down payment is going to be 5% of the purchase price. So if I tell you what is the
Just left for break. Looking forward to get something to eat because if I just stay like this, I'll be so hungry and I don't want to be hungry. So I'm trekking. Is it like 20 minutes walk from my school to this place? So I just feel like walking to be.
Hold my hand until you turn to ash. Love me till they put me in my casket. I got all these feelings that I'm asking. Now they hate on you, that's what I'm asking. That one can say that I'm such a weapon. It's time for you that day. How'd you forget? I did.
Boy is mine. I can't wait to try it. Let's get intertwined. The stars that align. The boy is mine. Watch me take my time. I can't believe my eyes. The boy is divine.
Came back. I just came back and I decided to cook a little bit of curry sauce. So here are my ingredients. We have onions, we have carrot, we have a cabbage, carrot. I should put this tomato. I don't think it's necessary. I'm cooking my chicken. I have my sauces here, and yeah, I have corn flour inside. Guys, I'm done cooking my soup. Things are expensive here. What? I just got this bread. Is what I have actually liked since I came here. Not bad. It's just there. Discounted snacks. Got like you again. Since I don't really talk to people, I said let snacks be my color of oranges. So got this. Hopefully it's sweet because Canadian orange is actually really sweet and it's really nice. Painful. And I went to a supermarket before where I would have seen kakashi. But I got this tomato. It's very expensive here. Next time I'll go to the other store to get it instead of this store I went to. It's just that this place is actually nearer than the other store. So I make pancakes every Saturday, so I make banana pancakes. And it's really nice. Like, you guys should try it. Guess how much everything is? 24 for how many things? It's really sad, but I don't think it has to. I just need to get a job ASAP. I don't have water, so I have to take water from the tap. I heard that Canadian water is actually really good. It's healthy to drink, so I don't see the point in buying water again when I can just drink Canadian water. You get? It's just that I have to put it inside the fridge so that to get cold. I want to boil it first, then put it inside the fridge.
그러면 다들 하고 싶어 하겠지. 야, 그리고 주인공이 후중이잖아. 후중 상대역이면 대표님이
Yo, DJ Errands, you know the kind.
Guys, I just finished for my driver's license test and I passed. So I'm getting my driver's license within, I think she said 3 days or so. So I'm literally so excited. Yay! At least I've passed something. I'm so tired. I've been here since 9 o'clock and it's currently 2. So at least I've accomplished something. I can go home and rest. see all the documents I had to bring, and my file and everything. So driver's license passed. So it's either this one or this one. I'm not sure. I'll just go for this one. Yeah, little green pepper here. I don't like. It was too big. Oh. Those are too big. Let's take the biggest. Just gonna put this in one. Put this here. Let's go back to the bread. So this is a typical bread I normally eat. No, I've forgotten. I think this one or this. So I think it should be this one. This one is a little bit too brown. So why is it all brown today? Anyways, so I normally go for this thin white bread. The battery's about to die. Let's find the last thing that we want to buy, and we're heading home. The last pad I bought was a disgrace. Looking for the cheapest pad. Like, I don't know. This is not the pad I normally buy. Okay, so it's not for me. Ultra thin. This one is cool. I mean, it's also 16. It's 24. How much is this? Oh. Wait, there's 24 parts here, there's 16, and the price I'd see. Let's see. 48, ultra thin, 48. This should be the best. Right. These parts are so thin, like, don't get me started. And they're so small. Let's try ultra. I tried it before, so who knows? I might like it. Just trying to see the size. It's a little bit big too. They have black oil on the side. So let's go with this one. It's the cheapest in my opinion. See the rest of the prices. Okay. Oh. So let's go with this. Now the last thing we need to get. So we don't have dish soap in my apartment, so we're going to buy one. I'm confused. Okay. This is just the workshop. These are surface cleaners, and I need
Just stay blurred instead of spinning. If you can see the thought that's in my head, like please, I'm a player, yeah, it's true. But I changed the game for you. I wanna see what it do. Can I be for real? This is how I feel. I didn't need a love, still that I hear. Oh, you're just my everything so much.
guys. I'm on my way out to a place I do not know. I saw this event online. It's for finance people, and obviously I'm in finance, so I'm gonna go. I'm scared, but I have nothing to do. Today's Sunday, so I just have to go. I just have to. I'm so scared. I haven't gone to an event where I don't know anybody, and I'm going alone. Like, it's so scary. So hope I look okay, professional. See you guys.
Hold my hand until you turn to ashes. Love me till they put me in my casket. I got all these feelings that I'm asking. Now they hate on you, that's what I'm asking. Everyone can say that I'm such a weapon. It's time for you to dance. How'd you forget it? I think about you and nothing else. So you would just come over, I can show you for myself. It's nice,
Please stand clear of the doors.
Hello guys, so I'm going for my school's career fair today. I don't know how it's going to be. I just want to see how things are going to be before I conclude on how I feel about it. So I'm taking you guys along with me today. I just want to do little makeup just to look okay. Then I can go. Starts by 12. It's currently after 12. You know, don't go early because companies might not be there as early as I can, as early as they would. So I'm just going to go now. And it's really close to where campus is really close to where I stay, so it's not going to take that long for me. Ooh, I'm not blind myself. So I'm really excited. Like, this is a good opportunity. I hope they pick me or something. I don't know how it works, but I think I'm done here. Let me get my perfume first. The perfume I'm currently using, really cute. I like wearing white though. You know, they can see what I'm wearing under. It's like a normal trouser. So I'll see you guys when I get there. Bye. Let me get lip gloss first. This Canada is not for enough for the week.
Touch me, think twice, cause you got a long way to go. Don't make my eyes, better fall back. It's like that, cause you got a long way to go. Smoke right deep, take it easy, you know, please me. Got a long way to go. I'm a black boy, you wanna get close. Ease up, cause you got a long way. I love it when they try to get scandalous, even though they know they really can't handle it. They can't handle it? They can't handle it. Trying to take me out to dinner, I cancel it. If you really wanna know me, first of all, you should never try to get too personal, cause I meant it when I said, but you got a long way to go.
I saw this event last minute on my phone. They sent me a notification that, okay, we have an event to go today, which is Friday, by 10, and it's already like 9. It takes time, so I'm going to be like late, kind of, because it's 1 hour from here. It takes time to actually get into the bus and leave. Everywhere here is really far, so guys, which earring should I go for? This one, or let me try this one on first. This okay with my ponytail, guys? I got this ponytail from Lagos. I don't know if that's nice. I'm not really a ponytail girl, but let me try the other one and see which one is better. Guys, I don't really like going for events. I'm always really anxious, and most of the time I just keep quiet when I reach there. Then after some time, I'll now like adjust and kind of start speaking to random people, or if they speak to me first, which happens most of the time. Guys, I need clothes. Like, I'm running out of clothes to wear. I don't want to get clothes because I don't really have money. I watched the video and this one is better. To be honest, it's simpler and cuter, and it just fits well with this ponytail. And this really, whatever is going on here, just hope my boobs don't spill. I'm looking for my necklace. Nowadays, I'm really a good girl. I mean, it's trending, so it's really cute. God, my armpits. I'm wearing a clothes that has to expose my armpit. I'll just make sure I don't like. Is it bad? It's not showing. It's not really showing like that. I'll just make sure I don't open my armpit. I'm off to go. Now it's time to find the shoes I want to wear. I don't really like wearing heels here because I don't know. I don't feel comfortable. People don't really wear heels here, so I mostly wear all these shoes that I have. Thank God I got like 3 of them. So let's I'll see you guys in the event.
There must have been an angel by my side. Something held me, led me to you. Look at the sky. It's the color of love. There must have been an angel by my side. Something held me, came down from above. He led me
got something from Temu and it just came. I ordered it, I think, July 19th, and today is July 26th. Currently like 11 o'clock ish, and I want to unbox it. I'm so scared because you know, all these rumors you hear online about Temu stuff not being original and being kind of fake. So you know what, let's just unbox it. I got appliances actually, and it was free because I just signed up. So let's unbox this baby. Maybe I can see. I got into Star because I desperately need some. So this is the first thing I got. It's like a toasting machine. Looks like it has been through lots. Whoa. So this is so small. It's not as big as I imagined. It has a ring to it, so it's so small though. I don't know how this thing works. Okay, so I think you put it on the pan or put it in the gas and it will heat up, I guess. So this was free, so I don't really care. So I got this camera. I don't know what it is, but it's really cute and I just got it. I think you still have to use like a, I want to enjoy myself a big top camera. You know what? I look like unbox it on the inside. So I'm just going to tell you how. Okay, so as I was saying, so this is the camera. It's really tiny. I mean, I don't understand the waiting they happen. So I think this is it. Oh, what's this? So, anyways, the last one is a mic. I really need it for my sit down videos, and I hope it doesn't disappoint me. It looks really small though. I don't want to cry of disappointment. It looks really small. So I removed the tape and let's unbox this baby. Oh my god, it's so tiny. So tiny. It has to do with this thing. So this mic is for. Oh my god, it's so tiny. What the hell? What the hell, man? Hello. I'll test it later, but what? It's so tiny. I'll keep it like this so I can hear me. Oh, hello guys. Welcome back to the channel.